Inflation can be a scary word, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know that inflation can also be an opportunity to make money? Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has made a fortune from inflationary environments. In this video, we'll share with you 7 tips by the great man himself on how to make money during inflation. Stay tuned until the end of this video to learn Warren Buffett's secret strategies for making money during inflation. Inflation is a hot topic today as we approach another recession, leaving a devastating impact on the global economy. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your expenses and struggling to make ends meet, you're not alone. Many individuals are seeking ways to build a stable financial future without having to undergo an economic drive or take on massive debt. Buffett understands the destructive impact of inflation and how it can affect our purchasing power. He realizes that inflation is becoming more common and unpredictable, and even a 5% bond interest rate can't support us for long if inflation hits 6%. That's why he's so concerned about inflation and wants to share his insights and life-changing advice on how to make the most of it. So without further ado, let's delve into the steps. Step 1. Choose companies with strong pricing power. When investing, it is crucial to select companies that have strong pricing power. Companies with a loyal customer base, like Apple or Coca-Cola, have the ability to increase prices without losing business. This is a sign that the company can withstand inflation by balancing its high costs. On the other hand, some companies use inflation as an opportunity to increase prices and generate profits. Companies like Kroger, CVS Health, and TJX, parent company of TJ Maxx, were able to make massive profits during the COVID-19 pandemic while other companies struggled. This highlights their ability to understand when, how, and how much they can increase prices according to the public's expectations. Step 2. Compare your investment returns to inflation. When investing, it's crucial to consider the return you're receiving on your investments. Even if you're occupied with other activities, your investments should continue to work for you. To determine the success of your investments, it's important to calculate your returns. A 10% return may seem impressive, but if inflation is at 7 to 8%, you're only left with a 2 to 3% return, which may not be enough. While investing in interest rate bonds may seem safe, with recent inflation reports, they are providing an annual return of around negative 2.2%. Although a small profit is better than nothing, it's crucial to ensure your returns are outpacing inflation to truly make a profit from your investments. Step 3. Identify your strengths and abilities. It's important to continuously develop new skills, especially those that align with your strengths and are in demand. Determine what you excel in and what you're passionate about, and focus on improving in that area. Select a field where you can fully utilize your skills and talents, as they remain valuable regardless of inflation. Step 4. Avoiding unproductive assets. Gold is a popular asset among families and investors alike. Its price has seen a significant increase in recent years, going from $460 to $1,815 per ounce. Many believe that gold serves as a safe haven during inflationary times. However, this belief is misguided. According to renowned investor Warren Buffett, gold is not a productive asset due to its lack of utility. Gold does not produce anything on its own, and it takes at least 24 to 30 months to see any return on investment. Additionally, the quality of gold remains constant, meaning owning 1 ounce will not double in value. So, where should one turn to secure their future? This requires further exploration. Step 5. Seek out businesses with minimal capital requirements. One of the biggest challenges for entrepreneurs today is the high cost of starting a business. To overcome this barrier, it's important to be smart and not just work hard. Your choice of business can make or break your entrepreneurial dreams. That's why we suggest exploring low-cost business options that allow your skills to shine. Consider selling digital courses. For example, if you have expertise in Instagram marketing, you can create and sell a course on the subject. All it takes is one-time effort, and you can later update the course for additional income. Another option is to become a content creator. Whether you're a graphic designer, developer, or copywriter, your skills can attract big brands and provide a steady source of income. You can even monetize your content on social media for passive income. Developing software-based solutions is another cost-effective business idea. While there may be some maintenance or updates required, the investment is minimal and can yield high returns. Event planning is also a fun and productive business that utilizes your planning skills. With low investment, you can become the boss of your dream job. Other low-cost business ideas include building digital assets, offering social media consultation services, starting digital or affiliate marketing agencies, and more. Step 6. Invest in assets that can beat inflation. Warren Buffett doesn't see precious metals as a solution to inflation. So, what should you invest in? To follow in Warren Buffett's footsteps, you should know that his preferred asset is stocks. However, investing in stocks requires knowledge and expertise. Fortunately, Warren Buffett has provided some guidelines to make it easier. He stresses the importance of careful analysis when buying stocks and not just focusing on quantity. Consider the sales potential, competitive advantage, and all the details of a stock before purchasing. Timing is also key. Wait for the right moment to buy and take your time to thoroughly analyze the stock. Avoid buying stocks just because they're popular. Heed Warren Buffett's advice to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. It's recommended to only invest in stocks that you're willing to hold for a long time, at least 10 years, as this gives you a chance to better understand the company's overall performance. Step 7. Embrace personal growth to offer top-notch services. It's time to turn our focus inward and invest in ourselves. Whether you're an engineer, teacher, baker, office worker, startup owner, or doctor, there's a simple way to counteract inflation and enhance your skills. The education you received may have been paid for an outdated currency, but the services you offer must be updated to meet today's demands. With the rise of inflation comes increased competition, so it's crucial to stay up to date, continuously learn, grow, and adopt new technologies. By doing so, you'll become invaluable and unbeatable. The tips given by Warren Buffett not only help us fight inflation, but they also have the power to transform our lives. We can never predict how high inflation may go, so it's best to be prepared for any outcome. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you next time.